So hey guys, and welcome back to Cuboid, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about pre-setup cubes. So yeah, let's start. So what are pre-setup or pro-setup cubes? So pre-setup or pro-setup cubes are basically cubes already set up by companies like Speedcube Shop or the Cubicle. For example, Speedcube Shop has their Cosmic Supernova and custom-based Unicube service, and Cubicle has their Cubicle Custom, which is their custom-based service, and also Max, Angstrom, Seller, Toss, Mystic, and ProShop. So basically, these services provide you with cubes already set up by the companies, which includes loop, tensioning, and all of that stuff. So now let's just talk about the advantages of owning these cubes. So basically there are a lot of advantages. Number one, it is looping and tensioning. So instead of you having to loop these cubes, they just do it for you, and you don't really have to take any efforts of getting a good cube. You just get it pre-set up. But that's basically what a pre-set up cube is. Number two, there is no risk of messing up setting up your cube or accidentally breaking your cube or any of these, as you already know that these cubes are going to be set up by professionals and you have nothing to worry about. So what I'm saying is, for example, smaller cubes like 2x2 and 3x3 are easy to set up as the pieces are really big, but for bigger cubes like 6x6 and 7x7, it is really risky to set up the cube, as you might mess up setting up the cube or accidentally breaking the cube or breaking one of the pieces while doing the process. So these are some of the advantages these Pro cubes provide, and basically it's self-explanatory of getting these Pro cubes. And three, it's basically you saving money. So instead of buying extra loops, which is, for example, if you want to buy a cube and have it to be really well set up, you will have to get $15 worth of loops or more and the cube itself. But in Pro setup cubes, the cubes are already set up by the professionals, and you are not going to spend that much money in getting all of these loops required for setting up your cube. And for disadvantage, I don't really think there are any disadvantages of getting these cubes, as basically you are getting really well set up cubes. But there is one slight disadvantage which I don't really think can be called a disadvantage as well, which is that after the loop dries out, you don't have anything to set up your cube with. So basically what I'm saying is, you get a cube and after 2-3 months it dries out and you don't have anything to loop it with, so you are basically stuck. But this is a really rare case scenario, as when the cube is breaking in or drying out, in that time span you will basically get some lube yourself. So I don't think there is any disadvantage of getting one of these cubes, and I think they are totally worth the money, as they are not really expensive and they provide you with a really well set up cube by professionals. But I would suggest one thing while getting these pre-set up cubes, and that is doing nothing to the cube. So basically what I mean is that once you receive the cube, do not make any changes to the cube. That includes changing the magnet strength, adding extra magnets, or like doing any customization to the cube, like changing the tensioning and or any of these stuff, because it's basically losing the whole point of getting a pre-set up cube. As what's the point of getting a pre-set up cube if you're going to basically change the tensions yourself or add an extra bit of lube in the cube? So yeah, I hope this video helped you clear the questions about pre-set up cubes. If you want to go further in detail for like certain cubes or certain pre-set up services like the Cubicle or the Speedcube Shop, you can watch tons of videos on YouTube as they go in depth about every single one of the services provided by these companies. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and bye.